In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Adobe Sign request. First, open your web browser and head to the Adobe Sign website. Then log into your account. Make sure you are using the account that originally sent the agreement you want to cancel, since only the sender or permitted admins can cancel an active request. Once you are in, click Documents. This brings you to your library of files. From there, go to the Manage tab at the top. The Manage view is where Adobe Sign organizes all your agreements by status, making it easier to find the one you are looking for. In the Manage section, look under In Progress or Waiting for Signature. These categories list agreements that are currently moving through the signing process. If you have a lot of activity, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by document name, recipient, or date. When you see the specific agreement you want to stop, click it to open its details on the right-hand side. You'll see the Actions menu for that agreement. Click Cancel. This action immediately stops the signing workflow and voids the agreement, so no one can sign it moving forward. It's a good option if you sent the wrong version, need to change terms, or realize the request went to the wrong person. A confirmation window will appear. Here, add a brief reason for the cancellation if you want. This note helps your recipients understand what changed, and also gives you a clear record for your own tracking. Below that, you'll see an option to notify all participants. Turn this on if you want everyone involved, like signers and CC'd viewers, to receive a cancellation. Notice, it's a helpful way to prevent confusion and avoid follow-up emails asking what happened to the document. When you are ready, click the Final Cancel Agreement button to confirm. Adobe Sign will update the status of that document to canceled or voided. And if you chose to notify participants, it will send out the appropriate messages automatically. Keep in mind that a canceled agreement can't be resumed, but you can always start a new request with the correct details when you are ready. If you don't see the cancel option, it may be because the agreement has already been completed, or you don't have permission to modify it. In those cases, double-check that you are viewing the right account and the correct agreement status. That's it. Thanks for watching.